Have you ever wondered how industrial automation works and what systems are involved? Today, we lift the veil on the world of industrial automation, focusing on two pivotal systems: distributed control systems, or DCS, and programmable logic controllers, commonly known as PLCs. These systems, while both instrumental in automation, are designed for different applications, each with its unique functionalities, levels of complexity, and cost implications. Let's delve deeper into each of these systems to understand their specific uses, complexities, and costs. Firstly, we will explore the distributed control system, commonly known as DCS. These systems shine in large-scale processes, handling numerous control loops found in oil refineries, chemical plants, and power generation. DCS can manage complex control strategies, from refining and mixing in oil industries to controlling reactions in chemical plants. Despite having a more complex nature and potentially higher initial costs, DCS's extensive data handling and intricate control capabilities make it a worthy investment for large-scale complex operations. Next, let's turn our attention to the Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC. This tool is a champion when it comes to specific machine control and high-speed operations. Picture a bustling manufacturing assembly line, an automated packaging machine, or even the traffic light control system in your city. All these are managed by PLCs. In terms of complexity and cost, PLCs are less complex and more cost-effective for smaller-scale applications, making them a go-to for discrete control tasks. PLCs therefore offer a simpler, more cost-effective solution for smaller-scale or discrete control tasks. Having explored both DCS and PLC, let's now compare these two systems. DCS systems are more flexible, handling complex control strategies and integrating multiple processes, while PLCs shine in simpler, discrete control tasks. For smaller operations or standalone machinery, PLCs might be more cost-effective initially. However, for larger processes with numerous control loops, DCS could be a more efficient choice in the long run, despite higher initial costs. Remember, the choice between DCS and PLC is not about which is better, but rather which is more suitable for your specific industrial needs. In conclusion, both DCS and PLC have their own unique advantages and are suited to different industrial applications. DCS, with its capability to handle complex control strategies and large-scale processes, excels in sectors like oil refineries, chemical plants, and power generation. PLC, on the other hand, shines in discrete control tasks and high-speed operations, making it ideal for manufacturing assembly lines and standalone machinery. Remember, the choice between DCS and PLC should be guided by your specific requirements, complexity, and cost considerations. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right system for your industrial automation needs.